Getting today's headlines from Google News. Number of fresh COVID cases decline below 10,000 in Tamil Nadu. Chennai Hyderabad June 16th, 17 highlights, TN records less than 10K cases. DMK responsible for price rise of essentials, construction materials, says El Murugan. 110 persons held in prohibition rates in Cuddalore. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin meets Sonia, Rahul. Increase in COVID-19 test positivity rate in Tamil Nadu districts worries experts. Fewer COVID-19 cases, but fatality rate up in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu News live, air traffic at Chennai airport yet to see recovery. Tamil Nadu YouTuber couple arrested for obscenity on PUBG live stream. Chennai Hyderabad live updates. Chennai reports 559 cases and infections decline. Telangana reports 1,492 cases, 13 deaths. Tamil Nadu, A&K on resolution spree against PK Sasi Kala. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin meets Sonia Gandhi, son Rahul in Delhi. Tension in Tamil Nadu's Tirunelveli after 6 assault Dalit youth, 2 Sri Lankan refugees.